Hi, my name is Paul from CarRequest College. In this video, I will show you how to use the public transportation to go to the college, from one part to another. This will be pretty easy and you will learn how to use your PrestoCard to go from one city to another city. So watch the video till the end because I know that this video will be interesting for you. The first thing you need to do is to buy your PrestoCard. These machines sells the PrestoCards and also you can load more funds to your PrestoCard in these machines. You can select how much funds you want to load to your card. It could be $5, $10, $20, $50, or any other amount that you want. Let's go and load $10. Then you will see your balance in your card. Let's go. When you go to the station, you will see these circles where you have to tap. Each time that you pay, you have 2 hours to use your PrestoCard with the same fare. Usually one train comes with the other one and you can change from one to the other one. All the stations has this screen where you can see at what time comes the next train. For example, in this case, the next train comes in 1 minute. Something that is great from these trains is that they are pretty long. Here you can see the line 1, that is the yellow line where we are now, then line 2, that is the green one, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to use the subway. There's always a screen that tells you where's the next station. In this case is Eglinton Station, is where CarRequest College is. Here we have the subway map. This is the line 1, where we are now. This line comes from north to south and from Finch to Vaughan. It also crosses this intersection where we are now, that it's Bloor and John, and cross with the line 2. The line 2 goes from Scarborough to Kipling in Etobicoke. Here in Etobicoke, in Kipling Station, there are shuttle buses that can take you to the airport and vice versa. So it's pretty easy to access to the subway line from the airport. Also, this line 1 goes to Union Station. From Union Station, you can take trains to Niagara or other cities in Toronto. And in Union Station, there is a train called the Up train that goes directly to the airport and takes this route. So if you go to Union, it's easier to go to the airport. The college is in Eglinton Station, and from here you only need to walk 2 blocks. Now that we are here in Union Station, we have a different map. Remember, the Union Station is one of the most important stations in the city. This map includes the subway line that It's this yellow line and the green line and the streetcars. Streetcars are all these red lines. And here, in this other map, we have everything. This map includes subway, bus, streetcars, and even trains. This map might be confusing and a bit complicated, but trust me that if you are here in Toronto for 1 or 2 weeks, you will get used to it. Also, all these maps and all these transportation lines are available in Google Maps, Apple Maps, Rocket Maps, City Mapper, Transit Now, and many other apps that will make you easy to find the bus or the line that you need to use. Now that you know how to go to the college using public transportation and your PrestoCard, be ready to study with us in Carrick West College. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to this YouTube channel to be updated with more information about us, about our courses, and about Toronto City and Canada. You are welcome to study with us and come to Canada. See you in the next video.